I was on my way to a meeting. I had an idea. I wanted to share it with you all. I am building my Shopify page, and there are so many elements that is involved in building your Shopify page. I had to stop. Being a good creator is three things. One, why are you developing this content? What makes you want to develop something like this? Number two, how are you going to pull all the elements together? And number three, where are you going to shoot the footage? You got to think about the sound. You got to think about the lighting. Like me, for minutes ago, it took me 3 different locations to get the lighting right. But I'm here now. Now, why am I here? Because I want to share with you how I'm creating my Shopify page. It's very important. I want you to be a part of it. I want you to see how I did it. Number one, why am I doing it? Because I want you to see how I created my Shopify page. What makes mine different from anybody else's? Because it's me. That's it. Because it's me. Number two, what elements am I putting together? Well, number one, you have to look at the design of the cover. What's your dimensions for your cover? What's going to be the layout of the cover page so when they open it up, it's going to be striking enough to make a person want to watch it. Not because they know you, like the subscribers that have 13 million subscribers, you know what's going to be on his page. I'm talking about Casey Neistat. What videos are you going to use within your Shopify page that's going to make them want, or are they striking enough? Are they captive enough to make you want to watch it? Where are you going to lay your videos? What's going to be your featured content? What makes a person want to watch your Shopify page? Because your featured content is what people are looking for. That's what people are buying. They come into Shopify because number one in their mindset, guess what? Shopify is a place to go and buy. What is your featured content? And then when you get your featured content, what's going to be in your description and your title? That's going to make them really want to buy your product. Your description has to talk about you, not about the product. Give them the feel of who you are in your description with this particular product. And the other is how you create your Google Connect, your Facebook ads, your apps. This is what I didn't do the first time when I opened up my Shopify page, and I failed. I didn't get no people coming to it. But now you have to connect your Facebook, your Instagram, your Google ads, and other apps that's going to make them your email accounts. That's going to make people want to come to your Shopify page. And why? Because people come to Shopify because they know they're getting ready to buy something. That's it. So take a look at my Shopify page. These are some of the things that I've done. I'm not completely finished, but I'm almost finished. But I just want to share with you why the thought was clear in my mind that, this is how I'm creating my Shopify page. Why? Because I want to share with people what I'm producing. How am I going to pull it together? My dimensions of my photos, my pictures, my videos, my pricing has to be right. and where. So as you can see, I'm opening up my page, and I'm showing you where I added some of my products. These are just my initial products. Let me go through just a small version of adding my products. You must have a title, and in that title, be sure and make sure you put your description. And when you're adding your description, I try to have my titles and my descriptions already pre-typed before I start typing in, so I can just copy and paste. Now I am adding in my image. This is just an image. It is not one of my images, just an image that I am pulling from one of my files, and just to show you how to upload the image. So I click on the image, and now here's where I'm uploading the image for the product. And then you're going to scroll down, and there are some boxes that you can, I'm not going to tell all the boxes, fill out all the boxes, but you just fill out all the boxes you can fill out for what you want. The only thing I'll talk about is the international shipping, where you make sure you fill out that box and you fill out the weight of your product, because international and customs is going to ask for all of that to price out your shipping when you get to your shipping area and they get ready to check out. The next thing I want to talk to you about is mainly the variants, and the variants are your size, your colors, things like that. And if you're going to do variants, I would look at my size. When I look at my size for my variants, you would click the variants. Then I'm going to give you a general overview of shipping and delivery, because everybody set up their shipping and delivery different because of the type of product that they are supplying to the customer. But I'm setting up general tabs right now for shipping and delivery for the products that I'm selling domestically here in the United States. And all you do is go to the right hand page and you click delivery, shipping and delivery, and you manage that. You put in the name of your product, and then you set up what type of shipping. You set up, you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you set up if you want standard shipping, if you want economy shipping. And remember when I told you about the weight for customs? This is where it would show how much your shipping would be if you put in the weight of your product for customs and things of that nature. But this is just general, very general settings that I use for shipping. And also I set up if I want DHL, allow my customers to have DHL, FedEx, or UPS. I mean, I haven't started selling yet. I'm going to be selling in about another 2 weeks. But this is generally what my page look like. It's just a basic page. But see the product, have questions, email, and send. Right now I'm at the part. So anyway, come back, take a look at my Shopify page, see if you like it, see if something you want to buy. We have On a Piece of History. We have Love You Mom campaigns. We're getting ready to upload the Braden Kids for your kids that are toddlers up to the preschoolers to learn, making learning fun. We're producing the Braden Kids app. So you'll be able to download the app on your phone. I mean, we're doing a lot of things here at Braden Brand, in the Braden Brand store.